Hi there, welcome to the Ukulele channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial for one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies, which is available for download for free on my website at ukestuff.info. So just go to music and look for Elizabeth's music and you can download it there. This is going to be for the song Brown's Ferry Blues, which happens on page 17. What we're going to do in this video, first of all, I'll talk about what chord melody is. Then I'll demonstrate the song on low G GCA ukulele, which is what this was written for. Then I'll do a tutorial. Now, I would normally demonstrate this song on high G as well, but this song will not work melodically with high G, but I will then demonstrate it also on Baritone DGBE ukulele. If you like this work, you can support me in three ways. First of all, you can like the video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel and the sister channel, Uke Playlongs. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melodies, I actually have two books of chord melodies available for sale at the Buy Me a Coffee page, as well as via Apple Books, Amazon Kindle, and direct from Amazon as well. I have a number of free resources on my channel as well, including those by Tony Krimlisk. I would also point you to the for sale works of Ukulele Mike Lynch and the free works by Spencer Gay at Uke Education. So what is chord melody? Chord melody is a next step in playing where you go beyond just strumming, but you let the ukulele speak the melody and the harmony, ultimately the rhythm as well of a song. And you're going to be reading tablature, and in tablature there are 4 lines. The top line of the tablature represents the top string or the highest string of your ukulele, which is your first string, which is actually one farthest away from the floor. It's sort of like looking at your ukulele that way as you talk about tablature. Now, if there's a number that tells you what fret to play, if it's a 0, you just play an open string. If there's no number, you don't play that string at all. This is a great next step to playing more advanced music, and I would argue that ultimately even the most advanced music is still chord melody in a way. The big difference, of course, is that chord melody is generally played with just the thumb, whereas advanced playing will use more techniques, string bends, harmonics, you name it, as well as moving you further up the neck, but it's still, in essence, chord melody. Right, let's begin with a demonstration of Brown's Ferry Blues on page 17. All right, let's walk through the song. First of all, there are really 4 chords represented here. You have a C chord, a C7, part of an F7, a G chord, and those are the chords behind what she's done here. Now also Elizabeth shows you the melody on the top, so if you want to sing along the melody, there are no words, but you could find the words and write them in if you needed to. But the tablature is going to show you the melody and the harmony. Usually the highest note sounding is going to be the melody in her arrangements as well. So we're going to start on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. I have been using my ring finger there, and then you play strings 4, 3, 2. Repeat the 2nd string twice more. 1st string, open, C7 chord. Repeat the 1st string, open 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd fret. Then I move my ring finger over to the 3rd string, 3rd fret, and then I walk down to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. I put my ring finger back down and I move my middle finger or my 2nd finger to the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then slide back down with the 2nd finger to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, open 2nd fret, same thing as before. Then 4th string, 2nd fret, C chord, strings 4 and 3 open. Repeat the 4th string up to the 4th string, 2nd fret. Take a rest, then 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string open, strings 4, 3, and 2 open. 2nd string open, 3rd string, 3rd fret. Then you've got your 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret with 4th string open, down to the 3rd string, 1st fret, and back to the 2nd fret again. We're now on the 3rd line. Same basic start, ring finger on the second string, third fret. Repeat the second string, first string open, C7 chord, first string open, second string, third fret, down to the third string, third fret, third string, second fret, then move over to the fourth string, second fret, and put the ring finger on the third string, third fret. Repeat the third string, move down with the second finger to the third string, second fret, open, second finger again, then that same shape, that F7, repeat that walk down, open, then fourth string, second fret, strings 4 and 3 open, repeat the fourth string up to the second fret, fourth string open, fourth string, second fret, third string open, strings 4, 3, and 2 open, then third string, third fret, down to the third string, second fret, play strings 4 and 3, then open strings 4 and 3. I hope you've enjoyed hearing and learning how to play Browne's Ferry Blues as arranged by Elizabeth Ragsdale as a part of her 100 chord melodies, which are downloadable on my website at ukestuff.info. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.